And speaking of crime, the president of the Jamaica Manufacturers Association, Metro Siaga, is this evening calling for the government to intensify its crime-fighting strategies. Speaking at the JMA's annual general meeting today, Mr. Siaga said discussions about crime should not be politicized. He says it's a serious issue affecting every sector within the economy.
We have got to come together as the government, as the opposition, as the private sector, as the public sector, and the unions, and recognize it's not a joke. I don't think any of us realize how much crime devalues us as a nation. It devalues our properties, it devalues our businesses, it devalues our lifestyle, and it's just not to be tolerated any further. If we, as a citizenry, don't stand up and say enough is enough, it's going to continue.